Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you guys with a really quick Cyber Monday sale, but I'm going to leave it up for the whole week. So let's just call it a Cyber Week sale. I'm going to be doing 2-ounce bags in my holographic colors, and I'm also throwing in 1-ounce bags in my white fantasy iridescents. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to get. I am asking 45 shipped for this bundle, and this bundle will be about a good 4 pounds of glitter. So keep that in mind. Then I am going to ship it out. It will go out priority most likely, and all packages will have tracking for you. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to get. You're going to get 2-ounce bags in holographic plum pink. You're going to get it in turquoise. These are all cosmetic safe. Again, these are in 2 ounces. If you want to double it, just let me know and I will make you 4-ounce bags, okay? If you need more, again, just let me know. This one is blood orange. This is Barbie pink, purple, wine red, bronze gold, emerald, gold, coffee brown, hot pink, denim, mermaid green, unicorn silver, fuchsia, teal, lilac, ruby red slipper red, gunpowder gray, copper, black soot, and key lime green. And then these are 2-ounce bags. You're also going to get the fantasy whites in 1 ounce. So you're going to get rainbow, you're going to get mother pearl. This one is opaque. Pixie pink, strawberry champagne, violet, clear skies, pinky teal, you're going to get pure white, golden blue, crystal waters, and glitter on ice. So you will get a total of 33 bags. Again, this is almost 4 pounds of glitter. Everything will be double bagged for you. Questions, comments, you can leave them below. I will leave my email in the description box. That's where you will find my info on how to get a hold of me. Just shoot me an email, and that is how you could place an order with me. Again, you will get tracking with all of your packages, no matter how big or small. If you want just the white ones, let me know. If you want just a holographic, let me know. I also have all of these colors in chunky form as well, which look like this. This is a chunky rainbow. So I do have them in chunky. If you prefer, I can even mix them up for you if you want half and half. again, let me know. I am always willing to accommodate whatever you guys may need for your projects. And that is it, guys. 45 shipped this week only. Questions, comments, you can leave them below. And again, I will leave my information in the description box below. I will leave my email, and that is how you can get a hold of me. Until next time, bye. Stay safe out there.